Hi, I'm Ralph. I was gone for the weekend, came home late Sunday night to a broken pipe under my sink. Flooded my entire kitchen, left an inch of water in my basement. Went downstairs, turned the water off, and I took out my phone, Googled the first company that came up, Elite Restoration. I said, okay. They said 24/7, called them. They were out within the hour. They went through the whole process of the insurance. They said there'd be no money out of my pocket. They also set up all their equipment. They were in and out. Then they came back and look at me now. I'm standing in a brand new kitchen. Love it. I'd recommend this company to anyone within the same problem that I had.